Hi there, welcome to DeskDirector. In today's video, we show you how to sign up with DeskDirector. Join us as we go step by step from clicking Buy Now to a fully running server, ready to sync and configure. Come with us as we take you through the full process. Note, the tutorial featured in this video is an actual interactive step-by-step lesson you can try yourself. Just visit the link in the description. Let's get started. Open the DeskDirector homepage and click on Pricing. Click the Buy Now button. Select a tier and again hit the Buy Now button. Now you will need to provide some personal details. Start by filling in your email address. Fill in your first name, now your last name, and your company name. Select your country from the drop-down list. Click the Subscribe button. Next are the payment details pages. All credit card transactions are handled by Stripe, which offer gold standard security. Go ahead and fill in your credit card number. Enter the card's expiration date. Now type in the CVC number. Type in the name on the card. Click on Securely Save My Information for one-click checkout. This option must be checked to enable monthly recurring payments. Enter your phone number. Now click the Save Card button. This completes the payment details. If your bank uses 3D Secure, they may additionally send you a confirmation token, usually by SMS. Right, now head to your email inbox and open the DeskDirector sign-up email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you cannot find it. Now click the Activate button. This will start the server configuration wizard. Click the Create Instance button to start building your DeskDirector instance. Select your PSA. If you don't use Autotask or ConnectWise, choose Microsoft. Select your location. DeskDirector is regionally deployed. You can choose from Australia and the Pacific, the USA, Canada, and Europe. Choose your base subdomain. This is your company name or a version of it. This must have no gaps or extended characters other than a hyphen. It must be globally unique. We will let you know if your choice is already taken. Once you have entered an available subdomain, click the Create button. Note that you can add custom domains later. For example, in this case we chose the subdomain WalterCorp, and at a later date we could add support.waltercorp.com as an extra host name for the service. Your server is now being built. This may take a few minutes. Once complete, click on Go to Server Instance. Note that you will not be charged for the first invoice, as you start with a free trial period. That is all there is to it. It is easy to sign up to DeskDirector. Remember, if you want to give this tutorial a try yourself, follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching.